Hello my lovely friends, this is Nef from Nef's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video you must have already guessed by now. Today I'm going to give my first impression, and I'm also going to swatch the new Lorac Mega Pro palette number 3 which they released for 2016. I am shooting this video on October 3rd, so it just came yesterday. Just came to the stores yesterday, October 2nd, for everyone to buy. But I got this palette I believe 3 days or 4 days back, and why I got it, because I'm a platinum member of Ulta, and they gave, I think, as per I remember, they gave only 1 day for platinum members to if they want to buy before they hit the stores or online. So that's how I got this palette, and I'm so excited, and I really wanted to do my first impression and swatches as soon as possible. Let's get started. And ding 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 dun, 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 dun. So this is how the palette looks, and as you see, this is $59, and this particular palette is only exclusive to Ulta, so you will only get in Ulta. So this is how the packaging is, and this is nice rose gold lining, and it shows pretty much all the colors, and it says Mega Pro Palette 3 Shimmer and Matte Eyeshadow Palette, total net weight 0.45 ounce or 12.8 grams. So that's what it says here, and it's $59. And just keep in mind, this is limited edition for this year. So they had, for last year they had Pro 2, and before that they had number 1, but sorry, I don't have those two number 1 number 2 palette to compare with this one, because I am just in stepping my I'm just stepping into the makeup world. So I have this palette. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so let's open. So this is how the palette is, and this is a nice rose gold written over here, Lorac and Pro Mega 3. So that's what it says over here. Look at this. And this eye makeup which you see right now, I have done using this palette. So I pretty much have I could say a little bit of review and also first impression along with the swatches, so I can give you all three my thoughts about this palette, which is, I feel, which is good. It's always nice to try. Or before I start swatching, I would like to tell you that, like I said, it's only at Ulta, and this limited edition Pro Artistry palette is packed with 32 eyeshadows in all the matte and shimmer shades. You need to create the hottest look straight from Hollywood. And Lorac's velvety smooth eyeshadows are ultra pigmented with maximum payoff to perform wet or dry, so you can shade, shadow line, define your eyes just like a pro. Okay, so it features 16 matte and 16 shimmer colors. So it tells 16 matte top rose and 16 shimmer bottom rose. That's how they have arranged it. So basically 32 shades, new shades. So 30 are new shades out of 32, and 2 are essential shades, which are I will show you, jet black and snow. And before I start swatching, just I want to tell you that this video might be a little longer, because I really want to swatch all the colors for you. So it might be longer, not sure right now. And so if you want to grab your coffee, any drink or any snacks, popcorn, anything you want, you can do right now. And tan-ta-da! this is the eyeshadow palette. It's already, the plastic already fell off, which is okay. So this is how the palette looks. Beautiful palette, and it does come with a mirror, which is nice. It's nice mirror. So these first two rows are of all matte shades, and these two full rows are shimmer shades. I am going to start swatching like this, so 4 at a time. So I'll go first first column, second, third, so I'll go like that. This is the 4 black color, this one over here. So look at the pigmentation, guys, look at the pigmentation. Okay, so I am going to look down so that I can tell you the names. This one is DK Navy, so I assume dark navy, which I have over here. I'm wearing on my inner corner, taking it almost on my crease, so I'm wearing here. So this is DK Navy, and moving up, this one is Jet Black. Then this one over here is Deep Fog, and this one over here is Licorice. So the next one which I'm going to show you is this column, this one over here. So this is how they look. So this one is eggplant color. The name of the color is eggplant, which I have it over here on my lower lash line. And the next color is bark, which is kind of a dark brown color. The next one here is glacier, and this is like a slate or a light gray color. It has little shimmer. And the last one over here is pomegranate. So this is how they are. Next column would be third one, which is this one, and so this is how the swatches look. I'm pretty sure the camera is not doing the justice. It's beautiful colors, all are beautiful colors. So the number one over here is called violet gray. Then this one's number 2 is called maple, which is again a brown color. And this one here is called sequoia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sequoia. Sorry, I don't want to butcher the name. And the last one over here is DK roast, probably dark roast. So we'll move on to this column number 4. So this is how it looks. Probably you're not able to see this color properly, but okay, so let's see. This one is, which you're not able to see, is like a mauve color, dusty mauve it's called. And the next one is hickory. The third one here is called brown sugar, and this one over here is olive. So this is how they look. Beautiful colors. They are just like butter. So this one over here is walnut. So this one is walnut, and this color I have it as my transition. So first one is walnut. The next one here is vintage. The third one is called Bellini. Bellini, I have it on my main lid color over here on the inner side. So Bellini. And the last one over here is rose quartz. So this is called rose quartz. So this is how they look. So now I'm going to show you this row over here. Okay, so this one here, which you're not able to see, it's called tan. And then moving forward over here is called mist. And the next one over here is cedar or cedar. And the last one over here is called rust. So now I'm going to show you the second last column, this one over here. So this is how they look. I'm pretty sure you're not able to see this color except this one because they're all going lighter shades. So anyway, the last one over here is called tan. Then number 2 over here is toffee. Then number 3 is kava. And then last one here is pink bronze. So I'm going to show you this last column. So this is how they look. Though they're light, but you're able to see these ones pretty nicely better than other ones. So this one is very light pink, so it's called pink cream. Then this one over here is called crepe. Then this one over here is called snow because it's like silver glittery color. And this one here is tully or tuli, however you pronounce it. So this was my swatches of all the shadows, all the eyeshadows from this palette, and I am really loving this palette. Like I said before, this eye makeup is from this palette, and this though this is little pricey, $59, but it's limited edition and you get so many colors, 32 colors in this, 16 matte and 16 glittery, shimmery colors. And these colors are really pigmented, beautiful, just like butter. They blended pretty well, and as of now it's already more than an hour. It's staying pretty good. I have no issues. Really nice. And because it's $59, you might think it's expensive, but if you want to buy like one palette, this palette can be like your go-to palette because it has your matte eyeshadows, light color eyeshadows, then all this area it has nice dark and dark colors, and all these are shimmery, these are mattes. So some of them make like really good transition colors, crease colors. And this palette not only caters to fair skin tone people, but this will very well suit for dark skin tone colors or medium skin tone colors because it has all the transitions, crease, like nice blacks, grays, jet blacks, navies. This is like a nice gray which is deep fog, and then licorice is a beautiful dark color, and it has like a purplish, very small particles of like a purplish. Definitely after this I'm going to use this one. And then it also has like your browns, deep browns, rust color, rosy colors, mauve, and pecans, your tans. Really nice. And if you're deeper skin tone, this will make a beautiful transition color. And as you go darker, it can make nice outer corner colors for you. And like I used dark navy or DK navy, this one over here, outer corner, to make like a V. So you can use any of the color out of these 4 or even these. This one can also make a pretty good main eyelid color. This one over here will make a very beautiful main eyelid color. So but this palette I am really in love with, and I give a big thumbs up. And so if you like this video, my mini review, swatch and first impression, please don't forget to comment below and let me know, and please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Show me your love by hitting that red subscribe button, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook as Neff's Lifestyle. And I'll see you in my next video pretty soon. Bye. This color as my transition.